Hello my crafty cuties, I am back with a share. I just received this in the mail from my sister's granddaughter, my sister's granddaughter. And it says, I made a book with 2 pockets and some flowers. I added stickers in each pocket. From Mylee. So this is the beauteous. Let me put something white under here so you could see her beautiful book. I believe Mylee is only, now she's 8, maybe 9. Okay, anyway. This is her book, her mini book. It's made out of postcards. She used 2 staples to attach the flowers, and this is cloth. This is just too cute. Let's see what stickers. Look at her pockets. This is so funny. Okay, so that's 1 sticker for that pocket. And here's a pumpkin. Nice. Cake, loving the cake. And that's the back. She is too funny. Thank you, Mylee, so much for your gift, for your thoughtful gift. And I appreciate the Happy Mail. I love you, Mylee. Thank you. Bye-bye.